In the country of the aliens, young Rahul was a bookworm who loved to read books. Whenever you saw him, he was reading some book or the other. Even during the recess, he would sit in the library and read some more. One day, his uncle came to visit his family. He lived in America. He knew of Rahul's reading habits. So, he had brought a lot of books for him. After dinner, Rahul went to his room and opened a book. It was a science fiction on alien species. Soon he was fully absorbed in the book. He was thrilled to read about the adventures of the hero and his close encounter with an alien from the planet Xang. Before going to bed, Rahul's mother peeped into his room. When she saw him reading, she asked him to sleep. But Rahul was so deeply lost in the book that he didn't hear her. He was still lost in the book when suddenly he heard a faint sound. He looked around but there was nobody. Once again, he set his eyes on the book. After some time, he heard someone knocking at the door. A strange fear enveloped him. Who could it be at this hour of night? He tried to look out. Suddenly, the light in his room was gone. Power failure, he thought. He searched for the candle, but nothing could be seen in the dark. All of a sudden, there was a strange glow in the room and there stood a strange creature. It looked like an ape-man, but the face was that of a lion. Its whole body was covered with scales. The sharp red eyes were at its head. Its hand and feet were serpentine. For a moment, Rahul stood motionless. His hands and feet were numb. Then he tried to run away, but before he could reach the door, the strange creature stretched his hand and lifted him up. Rahul tried to call his mother, but only a faint sound came out of his throat. Soon, the creature put his hand on Rahul's chest and he felt as if he were going into a deep slumber. Rahul didn't recall for how long he had slept, for when he opened his eyes, he found himself lying on a strange land, rough and uneven on all sides. It was near dark all around and far in the horizon, he could see two yellow stars, one on either side as large as the of the sun was rising in the sky. He looked around. There were numerous holes around him and below the ground, he felt some movement. He could also hear some noise, as if something was going on somewhere beneath the ground. Soon in the fading light, he saw many tiny creatures peeping through the holes. He was worried. He tried to run away, but felt his legs were fixed on the ground and couldn't move. Slowly, the little creatures started coming out from under the ground. Some of them climbed over his body and moved freely. The young ones were more adventurous. One of them crawled over to his face. He had a sharp-edged metal-like piece in his hand. He came near his eyes and tried to pierce it. Rahul closed his eyes in fear. He stretched his hand and tried to catch the creature. The creature got down and ran away in panic. He took out some gun-like weapon and fired. Rahul felt a sharp pain and cried at the top of his voice. The next moment, he felt as if someone was shaking him vigorously. He also heard the faint voice of his mother. Rahul opened his eyes slowly. He saw his mother standing beside him and shaking his shoulder. She was calling out to him again and again. By now, his father and uncle had also rushed in. Rahul realized that it was nothing but a nightmare and it all happened due to his late night reading habits. From that day, Rahul never read a storybook till late hours of night.